Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. So, the drawing of a map of any country is quite fixed, so that's why I already have an outline, and now I'm going to make it bold and clear so that we can visually have a nice look. So today the map of Bahrain, it's in the Middle East. So the importance of the map and surrounding countries. If you know all the things like the geographic positions, locations, and the area, then it's going to be very easy for you to travel around the world. All right, so from the top I'm going to draw the maps. All the curved lines remain same for 100 years if there are no separations or no words. So in this case it's quite a fixed map. All right, and it defines the borders of any country, and that remains the same. Okay, so looks like the Bahrain, it's a smaller country, not so much bigger, but it's a nice country. Okay, you can see some islands here around the mainland, and another island you can see here at the bottom part. So these are the lands, all are connected with the mainland, and all this acts together as the country Bahrain. So after drawing this one, we are going to put the colors. Okay, so let's take the color. So we can use the crayons, and then we are going to make it blur. So if we just put some like this one, you can see few strokes like this. You can see here few strokes. Okay, now we can use the finger and just make it blur the crayon colors, so it just becomes the uniformly distributed and nice, smooth, easy color all around the maps, and it becomes the visually very pleasant. Okay, so that's the thing, the map is done. For the geographical locations, the Bahrain, it has a country named Qatar on the east side. On the north it has a Saudi Arabia. On the west side it also has a Saudi Arabia, so there's the border, and all these islands together it becomes the Bahrain. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and put the bell icons on. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.